We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 7. So let me move to today's assignment. First of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 7 ML1 real estate. We just increase its size so it must be visible to everyone, then change its color. So we will discuss this chapter. We will solve this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. Let me move to whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have, I think so, 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have 21 question in graded report. Then question number 22 is not graded, in which we have to save and close XP25 Excel chapter 7 ML real estate, then exit Excel, then submit and get the score. So we have 21 question in today's assignment. So let me start today's assignment step by step. So our today assignment name is XP25 Excel chapter 7 ML1 real estate, and here is project description. So you are the office manager for a real estate company. You track a real estate listing including a city agents, listing price, a solid price, etc. Agent can represent a seller, a buyer, or both, known as a dual agent. You prepared a spreadsheet with agent name, agent type, then listing and sold price, and listing sold dates. So now you want to calculate the number of days each house was on market before being sold. So agent commissions and bonuses. In addition, you will use condition function to calculate summary statistics. For further analysis, you will insert a map chart to indicate the average house selling price by city. So finally, you will create a partial loan amortization table, calculate cumulative interest and principal to show a potential buyer to help the buyer make a decision. So all these are simply instruction or description about the project, that what we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one. We have to read this one, okay? After reading this project description, we get idea that what we have in today's project, how we have to solve, and what is our goal to achieve this assignment, okay? So remember that we are solving XP25 Excel chapter 7 ML1 real estate. Now we are moving toward graded board, okay? Steps to perform, then instructions. So in question number 1, start Excel, download and open file name XP25 Excel chapter 7 ML1 real estate. Then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. Yes, we have done everything till now. We have to open that, our file, or we call a solution file. We have to open that, okay? Here is our file. Now what we have to do, so question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. The spreadsheet contains the code BA to represent the agent's roles. BA mean buyer's agent, DA mean dual agents, and SA mean seller agents. Okay, you want to switch the codes for actual description. Okay, so that was just simply instruction about question number 2. Now our main part of question number 2 is start from here. In cell E12 we have to 12 of detail worksheet. So first we have to move toward detail worksheet, cell E12 here. Then there we have to insert a switch function to calculate agent codes in a cell D12. Okay, so here we write switch function. Okay, then our main focus is on agent type, this one. Then include a mix a cell reference to codes rules in the range J2 to J4 values. So use all cell reference in the function, then copy function to the range E13 to E39. So if D13 is equal to what? If it is equal to this one, then we have to describe this buyer agent, this one. So now we have to make both absolute. Else if it is this one, then we have to in this one, then we have to make that absolute. Then if it is this one, then we have to put this one, then we make that absolute. Okay, so in this way we will just put all values in the formula, then we have to simply press enter and we get the result. Okay, so after putting the formula, now we just simply press enter. Again listen how we have put the formula. We just put switch function, then D12 this one, then this one J2, then that is equal to K2. Okay, then if it is J3, then K3, then if it is J4, then K4. Simply press enter and get a result. After getting result, then we have to copy the function to the range E3 to E13 to E39. Double click, so it will be filled according to suggestion. Yes. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we just move towards cell E12 of detail worksheet. Then there we have insert a switch function to calculate the agent code in cell D12. Include a mixed cell reference to code and rules in the range J2 to K2 for the value and result argument. Then use cell reference and function, then copy the function to the range E13 to E39 and we get this result. Okay, so question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Now you want to calculate the number of days between a list date and a sale date. So for that we have to move towards cell G12. Here is G12. Here we have to put a formula. What type of formula? We have to insert a day function to calculate the number of days between a listing date and a sale date. Okay, so here we have to put what function we have to put. We have to insert d function, d's function. Yes, then first we have to in listing date, then we have to in sale date, then we simply press enter and we get the result. Okay, then copy the function to the range G13 to J39. Now we just simply double click on there and that will be done. Okay, so in this, I think so we can change this one to I12 and this one to H12. Okay, and simply press enter. Now this is positive. Now double click, so that will be there. Okay, so question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we just move toward cell G12, and there we have insert a days function to calculate the number of days between the listing date and the sell date. Then copy the function to the range J13 to J39, and we get this result. Okay, so question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. You want to calculate agent commission based on their role. So in cell K12, insert if function. Now we have to move towards cell K12 here, and here we use if function, not if function. Okay, then to calculate the agent commission based on the code and applicable rate list in the range L2 to L4. So now we have to our main focus on agent type here. If it is equal to what, if it is equal to this one, then okay, if it is equal to J12 is equal to J2, then what we have to do, use relative reference mix correctly, copy the function. Okay, so we just in the formula just like this, if B12 is equal to, open the formula, if it is true, then return what, this one. So same way we will solve this question step by step and we will get answer. Okay, so after entering formula, you may see if D12, this one is equal to J12, yes, then multiply I12 multiply by L2. Where is I12? This one, sale date multiply by L2 mean this rate. Okay, and if D12 is equal to J3 mean this one DA, then I12 multiply by L3. Then if D12 is equal to J4 SA, then I12 multiplied by L4, then simply press enter and we get the result. Then use a mix reference correctly, yes, then copy the function to the range K13 to K39. Now we just double click on there, so that will fill automatically to that range. Okay, yes. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we have to move toward cell K12, where we have to insert if function to calculate the agent commission based on agent. Okay, agent code. So applicable rate in the range L2 to L4. So after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to move toward cell K12, and where we have to use if function. Then we pass all these parameters to that if function and we get the result. Okay. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. So in question number 5, what we have to do, first we have to read. You want to calculate a bonus if sold price was at least equal to listing price, and if house sold within 30 days after being listed. That was just simply instruction about the file, sorry, about the question. Our main part of question number 5 is start from here. In cell L12, there we have to insert if function, then nested that with AND function to calculate the bonus. The AND function should ensure both conditions are met. Okay, so we just move there in L12, and there we use if function nested with AND function. if function nested with and function. Then what parameter we have to pass? Sold price divided by listing price. Where is a sold price? This one divided by listing price. This one is greater than or equal to 100%. Greater than or equal to 100%. This one we just make that absolute. Then days on market are less than or equal to 30. Okay, if both conditions are met, then the bonus is 1000 L9. Otherwise bonus is a 0. Okay, so after inserting the formula, now we are just simply press enter and we get the result. Okay, so again you may see that I12 divided by J12, G12 then is greater than or equal to L7, J12 greater than or equal to L8. So simply press enter and we get the result. Okay, so now there is no bonus, so that is a 0, and we double click on there. Okay, so we just get the result in this way. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we just move towards cell at 12 where we have to insert a function, if function with nested with and function. So after solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. The top left section of spreadsheet is designed for summary status for one condition. Okay, so in question number 6, what we have to do, the top left section of spreadsheet is designed for summary status for one condition. You will calculate average selling price and number of houses sold in each city. That was just instruction about question number 6. Our main part of question number 6 is start from here. In cell B2 we have to insert average if function. So first we have to move towards cell B2 and there we use average if function. Then to calculate average sold price for house of city of Alpine. Okay, use mix reference to range a relative reference in cell E2. Then we have to paste formula option to paste function in cell B3 to B5. Okay, so we have to move toward there. Every if first we have to attack on city. Okay, here. Then we select this one, and after that then we select what is our mean range sold price. Okay, so where is sold price? This one is sold price, so we have to select this range, then simply close parenthesis and press enter, so we get the result. Yes, so question number 6 is done. Now we are just moving toward just down there, then fill without formatting and we get the result. Okay, so question number 6 is done. Same way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9 up to question number 21 step by step. So in today's video we have discussed XP25 Excel chapter 7 ML1 real estate. In short, we discussed the project description, then we solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have discussed question number 7. Mean almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get A grade 100% marks. It's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from scammer and your result will be A grade 100% marks. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, Power BI, Tableau projects. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get A grade 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that I will take maximum 30 minutes to 1 hour for your project and your result will be 100%. So take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future.